Hello everyone, my name is Subdomain and I'm an active member of SCSP community. So today we will be taking a look at one of the tools in Kali Linux called Sublist3r. So Sublist3r is basically a Python-based tool which is used to enumerate subdomains of a given target. It helps bug hunters and web application penetration testers to identify subdomains of their targets. It is a very important tool for information gathering. So let's get started. Sublist3r is pre-installed in Kali Linux, but if you're using a different operating system, Linux operating system like Ubuntu, or if for some reason Sublist3r is not installed on your version of Kali Linux, you can just go to the GitHub and clone this tool from here. It has a very easy to follow installation guide. I will also leave the link for this GitHub repository in the description. So let's get started. So let's take a look at the help section of Sublist3r. Okay, so here are all the options available to us. So first of all, we would have to specify a domain for which we want to enumerate the subdomains for. So we can do that using the D switch, and I'm just going to look for the subdomains of kali.org. Now, when I run this command, the output will be printed to me on the screen, but it is helpful to save the output to a text file so that you can view it later on and use it as an input to some other tool. So I'm just going to save the output using the -o switch to kali-domains.txt file. All right, so now let's run this command. And now, as you can see, it's looking up for the subdomains of kali.org in all the search engines. And now here we have the output. So it has found around 73 subdomains. And now if I cat the contents of the specified file, we can see that the output was also saved to our specified file. Alright, so when we ran the command, we did not get much information about what was happening behind the scene when the subdomains were being enumerated. So if I want to have more visibility, I can just use the -v switch to increase the verbosity of the output. So let's run this. And now we can see which search engines are able to find which of the subdomains. Alright, so another one of the switches that we saw in the help section was a -e, which can be used to specify which search engines to use. By default, Sublist3r uses all of the search engines, but for example, if I wanted to use just Yahoo and Google to find subdomains, I can do that by specifying the E switch and providing the list of search engines in a comma separated format like this. So now, as you can see, it is only going to look for in Yahoo and Google search engines for the subdomains. Now, another option we have in Sublist3r is the brute forcing module. So if you want to enable the brute forcing module, we can specify the -b switch, and we can also use -t switch to provide the number of threads. Since brute forcing is a time-taking process, the number of threads helps to reduce that time and to give the results faster. Another option we have available here is for specifying the open ports. So if we wanted to look for subdomains which have only port 80 and 443 open, we can specify it like in this command, and now it's only going to show us the results which have the port 80 and 443 open. So let's wait for the results. And here we can see it has given us the subdomains for which port 80 and 443 are open. Alright guys, so that's it. We have discussed why should we use Sublist3r and how we can use it. Thank you so much for watching. If you guys have any questions or feedback, please do post them in the comment section, or you can also email us at scsp community@gmail.com. I'll see you guys soon.